You might already know that channels in Slack help you work better with people at your company. With shared channels, you can work the same productive way with people at other companies. Instead of relying on email to relay info back and forth, imagine having a single, productive place to communicate with everyone you need to get work done. In a shared channel, you can easily keep external and internal teams in the loop just by sharing updates and work in the channel. And with the time you normally spend catching up on email threads and reconciling one-off conversations, you and everyone on the project can focus on doing your best work. By communicating in real time, you'll develop better working relationships with clients and vendors. Both sides can easily see what's happening, know who's responsible for what, and feel like part of the process. And all this happens while your data is kept safe and secure in Slack. Work as easily with outside companies as you do with teams at your own company, with shared channels in Slack.